everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on iTonga from the 27th to the 31st of October 2025 on Monday. Banele finally delivers on his promise and tell his mother about the March to Makhumalo's horror while Pinda struggled to move on from Zama. Mbali takes a leap and agrees to go on a date with someone new on Tuesday. Petile returns home, leaving Nwanda and Mongeni forever changed. Banele's surprise dinner guest leaves the Magwaza's family in shock. Pablo trap is finally sprang and the villagers walk straight into it on Wednesday. The Magwazas refuse to budge where Banele's choice are concerned, prepared to cut him off, while Pablo also raves over the news. Mbali and the new stranger's relationship blossoms along with the community's renewed trust in Pablo and patrol forum on Thursday. Old wound threatened to tear the Madladla or the Dladla apart, while Banele teaches both the Magwazas and the Ntanzi a lesson on Friday. When tradition meets resistance, Makhumalo takes a stand, leaving the Ntanzis humiliated. Pinda is back on the street and Mabandla steps up with more than just word for Mbali and Ntanzi. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.